Hey, it's Nicole, and I'm back with another Destash. This one is focused around baby girl, so it's baby girl papers and embellishments and other things that I put together that I thought coordinated with it. The price is going to be in the description box, and it's going to include shipping. It's USA only and PayPal only. If you're interested, just let me know in the comment section and include your PayPal email address, and I will send you an invoice. Once the invoice is sent, you have an hour to pay. After that hour, I'm going to have to move on to the next person. So it's going to start off with Kaiser Craft's Bundle of Joy paper collection. And now this paper collection is pretty much impossible to find now online. I looked, but it's almost a full collection. I'm missing one sheet. So this first page is the sticker sheet. So it's cardstock stickers. And then all the paper is double-sided. So I'll just, flip through. So there's two of each minus the one sheet that I am missing. Then I have like a little mark right there. It's really pretty paper. There's some really pretty albums that have been made that are on YouTube for this collection. This is the sheet that I only have the one of. And there's also a little spot right there. Alright, I also have Kaiser Craft Pitter Patter. Now this collection is also almost impossible to find online. And this is a full collection. So I have the sticker sheet, the specialty paper. Like this is like a specialty sheet, so it's not double-sided, but the rest are. So there's two of each design. And so I feel like these go really well together. So you can either make two separate albums, or you can put them together and make a larger album, which is what I was intending to do with it, but never got around to it. They're both very pretty and very vintage. Alright, so this was actually from Joann's out of their open stock, but I felt like it really went with the collection. It's just single-sided. And then there's four of this pink pink and white striped, pink and cream striped paper that's also single-sided. Now this is a pearlescent cream paper. You can kind of see it. There's 5 of this. And then there's also 15 of this just cream Recollections cardstock. It's got like the woven texture on there. So 15 of those. And then there's 25 of this Recollections pink paper. So that's it for the paper. I'm also including this, it's a mini album base that I made for this, and like I said, I just kind of lost interest and never finished it, but it's made out of envelopes, so it's got like a pocket here and a pocket here. And now I know that I made this with the thought of doing baby's first month, second month, so there's a spot for 12 months. But all you need to do is decorate it and then put a cover and a spine on there. So but they fold out and stuff. I think this one folds out this way. Alright, so I'm including that. I also have an unopened pack of the collectibles, the ephemera die-cut shapes for the Pitter Patter collection. So I think there's 50 pieces in there. Shh, hey, shh. Sorry, my dogs. I also have an unopened stamp set that goes with the Bundle of Joy. I also have a couple stickers. These are vellum stickers. This one is for a little girl. And this one is for babies. And then I also have two new, this one's unopened, for little girls, the acrylic stickers. And this one is, hasn't been used. I just cut the, well, no, that's not true. I think there was one right there that I used, and I cut the top off, but it's almost complete. This one is children. Children and baby themed. Sorry about the glare. I also have a bag of bling. So, this is new. I just cut off the top of it with the packaging. Same with this. I have some rhinestones, and, pink pearl swirls. It's a different kind of pink swirl. A different pink swirl. And then this is just a lot of pink pearl swirls. Alright, I also have this bag. So I have an unopened pack of stick pins from Wild Orchid Crafts. I have this bag of acrylic pearls and flat back flowers and stuff. This is a bag of acrylic beads in pink and clear. It's a little bag of resin flowers. This is a bag of assorted sizes and color rhinestones. There's small pink, big pink, clear. This is a bag of pearl and crystal brabs. This is a bag of pink and silver. There's two different styles, butterflies. And this is just a pendant I had in my collection that it's like a soft pink that I thought went with it. I also have 3 rolls of washi tape. This is a fabric washi tape from Recollections. I have used a small amount of the black polka dot and the, I think that's houndstooth, but the this one is unused. But I mean, they're all really full. This is some Recollections flowers that I thought went with the paper. These are quite a few of these pink buds. Now, these flowers are all, well, not all, for the most part, either I Am Roses or Wild Orchid Crafts. So we have 2 large pink, and these two-toned. Hey, shh. Sorry, I have 3 dogs, so they don't ever cooperate when I'm trying to do this. 3 of these are different. These two-toned. These larger black roses, a different two-toned pink rose. These small, I use these as fillers. Those pink, and I have a lighter pink of those as well. Like a medium-sized black rose, a smaller size black rose, and then some of these pink rose buds. And then finally I have laces and trims. So I have, let's see, let me get my notes out. I have 11 yards of, okay, thank you, honey. Okay. I have 11 yards of these flat back pearls. All right. What? In a minute, okay? In a minute. All right, let me finish this first. I have 2 yards of this white and pink lace. I'm gonna be quiet, okay? I have, let's see, 2 yards of this. Just hold on a second, please. 2 yards of this really wide white lace. Connor, hey, go in the living room real quick, okay? I have these 2 different pink rosette trims. So there is a yard of each of them. So this one's a double. There's a yard of this, and then a yard of this. And I think I'm just going to keep this closed. There are a yard of this. There is a yard of this and a yard of this. There's a yard of this pinkish flat back pearl trim. Okay. There is a yard of this pink eyelet trim. There's a yard of this. All right, hey, please. There's a yard of this. There are 5 of these. Is that backwards? Yes. 5 of these appliques. And then finally, there is 3 yards of this. Hold on, honey. Hold on. I'm on my last bit. Hold on. Of this stretchy black trim. So that's it. So, like I said, it's USA only, PayPal only. The price is in the description, and that's including shipping. Hold on, sweetheart. If you're interested, just leave a comment in the comment section, and include your PayPal email address, and I will send you an invoice. All right, thanks.